At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting a business in the NDIS, National Disability Insurance Scheme, sector can be both rewarding and challenging. Here's a general guide to help you get started. 1. Research and understand the NDIS. Familiarize yourself with the NDIS scheme, its goals, processes, and the services it covers. Understanding the NDIS will help you identify opportunities within the sector and navigate the complexities of the system. 2. Identify your niche. Determine the specific area or niche within the NDIS sector where you want to operate. This could be providing support coordination, allied health services, assistive technology, or disability accommodation services. 3. Develop a business plan. Create a detailed business plan outlining your goals, target market, services offered, pricing strategy, marketing plan, and financial projections. A well-thought-out business plan will serve as a roadmap for your business and help you secure funding if needed. 4. Legal and regulatory compliance. Understand the legal and regulatory requirements for operating an NDIS business in your area. This may include obtaining necessary licenses, permits, and certifications, as well as complying with NDIS quality and safeguarding standards. 5. Secure funding. Determine how much capital you'll need to start and run your NDIS business. Explore funding options such as personal savings, loans, grants, or investment from partners or investors. 6. Build partnerships. Establish partnerships with other service providers, healthcare professionals, disability advocacy groups, and relevant organizations within the NDIS ecosystem. Collaborating with others can help you expand your network, access resources, and reach more clients. 7. Recruit and train staff. Hire qualified and experienced staff who are passionate about supporting people with disabilities. Provide them with appropriate training on NDIS policies, procedures, and best practices to ensure high-quality service delivery. 8. Develop marketing strategies. Create a marketing plan to promote your NDIS business and attract clients. Utilize online marketing channels, such as social media, website, and email campaigns, as well as offline strategies like networking events, community outreach, and partnerships with healthcare providers. 9. Provide excellent service. Focus on delivering excellent service to your clients to build a strong reputation and generate positive word-of-mouth referrals. Prioritize client satisfaction and continually seek feedback to improve your services. 10. Stay informed and adapt. Stay updated on changes and developments within the NDIS sector, including policy updates, new service offerings, and emerging trends. Be flexible and willing to adapt your business model and services to meet the evolving needs of your clients and the NDIS market. Starting an NDIS business requires dedication, passion, and a commitment to making a positive impact in the lives of people with disabilities. By following these steps and staying focused on your goals, you can build a successful business that contributes to the well-being and empowerment of individuals with disabilities. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.